Okay, goods.
Hi po, kami yung band of Radius and my name is Chris, I'm the vocalist.
Hi, I'm Myron. I'm the bassist.
Hi, I'm Jason, the keyboardist.
Hi, I'm William, rhythm guitar.
Ayun. Ay, Cradius, ano pala yung Cradius? Ano yung, what's all about Cradius? Paano siya nabuo? Ano yung ibig sabihin ng Cradius?
Actually, Radius is supposed to be kilometer radius, and at the same time, I integrated that with the book that I've read regarding a warrior na Last Man Standing. Tapos, alternative rock po yung genre namin. We started 2019.
2019.
Rebranded po ng 2020 po.
2020. Cradius na nung 2019.
Opo. Parang repackaging namin ng
Repackaging.
2024 with new lineup.
Okay. Pero same genre pa rin since
Yes po.
2019. Okay. So, paano siya nabuo po?
Well, dati pa naman po kasi akong nagbabanda. And then, I wanted to make songs na syempre mag-inspiration na at the same time on our own craft po. Sariling music namin, not just covers.
Puro mga OPM po ba? Or...
May English din po kami.
Okay. Puro original songs.
Yes po.
Ano yung parang pinaka yung carrier na na single na
Career single po namin noong 2019 was Habang Buhay po.
Habang
Which we
Buhay.
will perform later.
Ayun. Ano po yung story yung bawat isa, no? Paano siya nabuo talaga?
Actually, ang remaining na lang po na original members is yung lead guitarist namin, but he's not around today. And then, William, I rented a guitar sa kanya, tapos inaya ko siyang maging member. Si Myron is covered ko. So, the original bass is also lumabas na, and then siya yung substitute. Tapos, naging official member. Si Jason din po, nung naganap ako ng drummer, nag-present siya, and then he said that he plays keyboard. So, yun, kailangan namin ng keyboard.
Lahat yun 20. Bali
2000, ngayon, this year lang po yun.
this year lang lahat na
Si
talaga.
William is 2025.
Okay, yung mga songs na ng band, sino-sino yung mga nag-compose?
Ako po yung pinaka-main composer po. Some of the arrangements na papatulong sa band.
Okay. Kayo, question.
May I ask, what's the challenges you face as an indie band?
Marami po eh. Hindi lang naman po kami nag-isang indie band na mayroong challenge. So one of the challenges is, syempre yung tutugtog kami for the sake of publicity. Just to express ourselves, our own songs.
Ayan, nakadating lang.
Ay, lumapit. Solo na daw.